Yeah, them have to say yes, you know. Beautiful, beautiful, don't it? Ready to go, beautiful. Yeah, it's all about. Yeah, man. Nice, my viewers. I have to eat this one, my viewers.
Welcome back, my viewers, to Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Jamaican farmers. Hot.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Ready, we ready, and a gone, we gone. We are plant pumpkin and we are plant some corn.
Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out.
Welcome back, my people, to Jamaican Farmers Hut. Today we're going to learn how we harvest our lettuce. But before we do that, we need you to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Today we're going to explore how we harvest our lettuce. As you can see, we have harvested and cleaned this beautiful leafy lettuce, getting it ready for the market. This is how we do it at Jamaican Farmers Hut. It's all about the harvesting.
Making a bed for the lettuce. Alright, so you use the same lettuce leaf to hide all these holes here. Yeah, before you pack the lettuce in. Alright. Yeah, it is time for harvesting lettuce. Alright, as you can see, all of my crates are beautiful. Yeah, so we're gonna trim off these leaves off the lettuce. Yeah, we're gonna leave it with all the beautiful leaves on it. All right, yes. So something like this, we change this leaf, we take off this leaf here, and this leaf is a good leaf now, but we still take it off. We want it to be beautiful for the market. All right, yeah. So when the customers look and see all these lettuce, it's beautiful. Yeah, these lettuce is very big, as you can see, very huge. Yeah, they are very huge. Them can hardly come out of the pipe. So when the customers come and them look, yeah, them have to say yes, you know. Wow, my viewers, look at this lettuce here. Beautiful, beautiful, don't it? Yeah, that's how we trim them, you know, make them nice and lovely. So that when the customers come and look, yeah, they say, yeah, lovely, can we get 10 more crates? Yeah, that's what's going on the farm today, you know. Yeah, harvesting lettuce. Yes, my viewers, ready to go, ready to go, ready to go. Beautiful, glistening. Yeah, yeah man, glistening. Looking wonderful. Yeah, it's all about. Yeah. Yeah man, the pipe soon right now. Nice, my viewers. I have to eat this one, my viewers. My viewers, I have to eat this leaf. From I was here from this morning, I want to eat a leaf. I have to eat this one. Alright, my viewers, talk to you later.
Jamaican farmers.
Hot.
Jamaican farmers.
Getting lettuce ready for the road. Alright? Looking beautiful. You never went them here?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, okay.
Well, not these ones.
Yeah. Oh, I ask.
The other ones.
Oh,
Right.
liquor water, you know? Keep them on. Yeah. Yeah. But yeah, man, for real. Them look lovely.
Yes, sir.
Yes, my viewers.
That bad?
Ah, that is the thing. Yes, my viewers, inside the bus. Yeah, full of lettuce, green, beautiful and pretty. Jamaican farmers, don't forget to like, share and to subscribe to my channel, alright? Yeah? Don't forget to hit the notification bell, alright? Yeah, man, Manager Campbell is here. Yeah, doing his thing, as usual. Doing his bagging out, you know what I mean? Yeah? It's all about lettuce, something that can't hold up at the market, you know. So quint it. Yeah, they are so big they can't hold into a 6 pound bag. Yeah? Easy, Gio. One gas. Yes, my viewers. Beautiful lettuce. Yeah. Beautiful lettuce, my viewers. Yeah, man. Good to go. Viewers and subscribers, we have couple tomato plant here. And as you can see, we have tomato. We have tomato and tree. Alright, we have blossom, as you can see. Yeah, there is not a lot, but trust me, we have tomato here. Alright, and we are also transplanting the stem of these plants here to get new one. Understand? As you can see here, this is piece of limb that plant lately. Yeah. So we're trying to transplant. This is the branches. This is piece of the branches that plant lately too also. Alright. So yes, my viewers, the greenhouse is going on fine. Tomato. 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 Yeah, man, stay tuned. Viewers and subscribers, as you can see, after harvesting our lettuce, yeah, we clean the stand because it is time for us to get the stand ready for a next growth of lettuce. Okay, but before we do so, we have to do some repairs on the stand. As you can see, most of the pipes are bent. You understand? And as you can see, the stand, yeah, most of the stand are bent that the pipe is on, yeah, because the weight of the lettuce, yeah, kind of bend them up away. So we have to do some repairs. All right, so I'm gonna show you part of the pipe where it is bent. So we have to do some bracing like this piece of center pipe here. We have to do some more bracing like that to keep it steady. Yeah, we have to pull some of the pipes, carry it up. We have to pull some and take it down. All right, so as you can see here, I'm gonna show you the triangle shape of the pipe. As you can see, the triangle shape of the pipe, but you can see the bend in the pipe here. Yeah, so we have to do some repairs. As you can see, we catch here with a piece of steel, yeah, to the ground, because this side was coming down because of the weight of the lettuce. So yes, my viewers, the stand is 100 feet long and 5 feet wide. Yeah, so as you can see, most of the pipes are bent because of the weight of the lettuce. Alright, so we have to do some repairs before replant. As you can see here, we have to tie it up when the lettuce was growing. You know what I mean? Because the weight of the lettuce. The more the lettuce grow, yeah, it gets heavy and heavier. So my viewers, we have to do some work on the stand before we plant. As you can see here, a pipe, we try to hold it up with a piece of pipe here. So we have to put in some more strength in between these stand here. Yeah, so that's what's going on right now on the farm. My viewers and subscribers and my unsubscribers. Alright, so my name is Ever Slick and I'm here to tell you all about the hydroponic stand. Yeah, we're gonna do some repairs on it before we replant. Alright, we have a problem with some of the holes. Yeah, I'm gonna show you like this hole here. As you can see, it is over that side too much, so we need to carry it back over. So we'll have to cut the pipe to twist it back this way and to glue it back. Alright, look on this one here. This one here is too much over. You know, we want all of them on one level. So we have to do some work on it. So yes, my viewers and subscribers, we're gonna do some repairs on the stand before we plant back lettuce. Alright, yeah. We're also gonna change this pipe here. Yeah, we're going to change this pipe here coming from the tank up top here. We're gonna change this. This is 1/2 inch pipe. We're gonna change it to 1 inch, like how we changed this one. Or to 1 inch, like how we changed this one up here. You understand? So that is what coming next on the hydroponic stand. Alright, so stay tuned, my viewers and subscribers. There's a lot more for me to show you what's going on. Alright, so this is what happened after harvesting our lettuce. Alright, we clean the stand to make our next planting. Alright, so that's it, my viewers and subscribers. Stick around, I'm gonna show you a lot more. Alright.